guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's vent. I'm just going to vent and vent and vent because I'm getting tired. Just a little story here. When I joined the YouTube streets, it was not for fun. It was for the money, nothing else but for the money. This is business. So I ain't going to work for free. Now I'm getting demotivated. I'm frustrated right now because, guys, you know, in August I've been loading loading every day, actually, the whole week, Monday to Friday, without a fail. Now, if you are monetized, you know there are YouTube guidelines for monetization, and when you monetize your video, they check it how they automatically check. I don't know what is it that checks the video if it's suitable for adverts. But now I'm getting some things. If you see a yellow dollar sign, that means your video is being detected that it has got some, it's not ad suitable, it has limited adverts, which is something that I'm not looking for, because it means one or two advertisers might put adverts on your video, but in most cases, those who knows, they say even one ad will not even roll. So I'm not going to work for free. I'm not even going to work for free. This is my side hustle that must put another bread on the table, at least. But now he's waking up and down. So I'm going to be washing these dishes now to be cooking. So after getting the yellow dollar sign, which means the adverts are limited, you might request you're gonna request a manual review, a man to manually review the video. Like, they're going to manually watch your video and decide whether it's suitable or not. So there are things that you have to check, or what can I say, that you must, there are things that you must take care of when you like language, especially news, swearing, language. You have to be careful about those ones. Guys, you know I'm doing laundry motivations, cleaning motivations. They're just pure videos and they get yellow signs. I don't know what. Sometimes when that people review them, they just deny me with adverts. Is then that I can review, I can re-edit them and load, and they don't even tell you what's okay. Most of my videos that were denied, they said they talk about controversial in the sex, what nudity. I don't even have those things. So now, last week, beginning of September, when I was loading my September work, what I got was yellow dollar sign. For what? I don't know. Deleted the videos, edited them, removed my voiceover and put in the music on. Still, they denied. I was waiting for the manual review. It's been 2 weeks now. Still waiting. No, not even a single person has checked them. And normally within less than 3 hours to 6 hours, they would have been reviewed and I know whether it's suitable or not. But normally it's very rare to be unsuitable. I always go through. But right now on our guys, now I can't work like that. And normally the ones that are doing what, that are being denied as the laundry and the cleaning ones. I also maybe my big behind, I don't know. My behind is so big. So I guys, now I can't work for free. This is demotivating me, honestly. And then if you are monetized, guys, comment down below if you're experiencing the same thing that I am experiencing, because I can't deal. Right now, I can't deal. I cannot. And today I loaded another new video, but still I was hoping for greater results. Then I got Dolon. It's on review. It's joining those other ones. I'm thinking of deleting them from the channel. Then I don't know if I can't re-edit them again. What will I do then? Because it just goes straight, and maybe there is some demons attacking my channel. Who knows? And they should know that no weapon formed against my channel shall prosper. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. So get back here. I've been eating chicken for so long, so yeah, when I've been eating chicken for like every day now. I'm changing, so it was just hard. Plus it's a quick meal. I'm tired also. Yeah, that's just that. I had to clean up these dishes first because I left them in the morning. So comment down below if you have those kind of issues that every day you just get a yellow sign. And I'm just wondering, why are they not reviewing the videos? Are they on strike? I mean, they should tell us if they are on strike. We should know that we are working for Mahala now. And this thing of them, checking, automatic checking, bora. I could already even on my videos that trigger the limited ads. What is it that is there? Yeah. Things cannot be reviewed every day. I am tired. Here I'm just preparing my dinner. That's when I put that water was boiling. So I'm going to cook bab, as I said earlier on. And I am going to be doing a tin fish also. So I'm not going to be cooking on camera because this video is not for cooking. Yeah, I'm just adding this to show you that this is what went on during the night before. So I'll be cooking. That's when I'm chopping the onions, and I'll be chopping the green pepper also. I'm going to put in the fish. And really, guys, this food, I enjoyed them because it's been a long time since I consumed a tin fish. Yeah, thank you guys, and bear with me with my frustration. I had to vent today. I had to vent, guys. I really had to vent. So let's keep on watching. Yeah, I hope you understand my frustrations. So honestly, I'm not here to play. Yes, Barry, don't do it for the money. Who? Not me. It's for the money, because I cannot be working so hard for zero. So someone call them and tell them my patient is running out. Tell them my patient is running out. I cannot be waiting for them to review the videos for like 2 weeks. And even if I edit out and remove parts that I think they are not allowed, or they are triggering the ad limitation, I remove them, but still I get zero approval. So guys, I hope you get my frustration, and keep on watching the ads, because you guys, I'm not, there's a fly, I'm not doing this for fun. It's hard work, and editing this thing is too much. So, and thank you guys, I think I've vented enough. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next videos. Please share this video, and if you have any solution, comment down below and tell me what you did, or if this has but again, I don't know if this has happened to you. Not every video 1 2 3 4 5 you are I like doing them, but yellow dollar sign, it's not for me. So thank you guys, bye. I'll see you. I've been talking too much. Bye.